Hello, myself Rahul. I'm from Coimbatore. I have completed my UG degree in PhD College of Arts and Science Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. I was most desired in full stack development from since my school days. So I have taken computer applications in both school and in college too. I was searching for the best institute for my training and my career path. I have chosen Qtree Technologies in Saranambati, which is based in Coimbatore. So I have enrolled myself in Qtree for a Stock developer, and I have completed my course in the duration of 6 months. I have completed a project using a Stack developer titled blogging application. Let's see about my project. So, well, my project is about personal blog, which is mean triple R is my blog name. You have to enroll in my project as a register. First you have to register in my blog, like register for, you have to register using register link. First you have to register, not you have to log in. So you have to register like select role. You have to select role for authors or readers. Next you have to use your name, your email id, your phone number, and your password is as per your wish. And you have to select your education, whether it is metric, intermediate, graduation, masters, or else phd. You can choose from you can choose avatar to like your name. I have given a folder to choose avatars from this list. So once you have filled this form, you can register it. Once you have registered, no need to again you have to no need to register it. And you have to log in into that page. Like I have given these three options for a login page. You have to select your, either you are author or a reader, you have to select it, and your email, and you have to password, and you can log in. Next it will directly navigate into home page. Home page is nothing but your post. I have used cred options here for latest blogs. Authors is nothing but your image and your other details. Next, I have used dark theme and light theme too here. Next is my dashboard. Dashboard is nothing but personal information about me. My blogs, which means I have blogs here. How to create a blog is, go to create blog and select which category you want: lifestyle, technology, sports, travel, business, economy, as per your wish. Then give main title as per your knowledge. Then block image, main block image you have to choose. I have chosen this image for that purpose. And you have to give about 250 characteristics is my for description. None other than blog introduction. I have given three sub paragraph images to paragraph title. You can choose any image you would like. The next description for that, again second paragraph, again third paragraph, till last. If you wish to publish, say yes or no, that's enough for me. Then you have to create your blog. It will created into my blog session. Chart is nothing but you have, when you create your blog, the chart will analyze it is published or not published. My profile is next. My profile is nothing but about me, my name, email, phone number, author. Once you register that, it will automatically route into here. Next is home page. I have here also, I have given dark theme and light theme too. Next you can log out it here. Once you create your image, it will appear in both here at home page, trending blocks, latest blocks, etc. So blocks is nothing but here it will appear your images. All authors is nothing but once you give information in register page, you can log in about it. About is nothing but the whole information about this project. You can here subscribe with your email id too. I have created this project using Stock is nothing but MongoDB, React, Node.js, and Express. MongoDB is nothing but to store. It is NoSQL to store informations, basic informations about this. Next, I have React is nothing but a front-end framework for JavaScript libraries. Node is nothing but a backend library which connects both the front-end and the database server too. Next to Express is nothing but API calls of HTTP request from Node.js. I would like to thankful my trainer, Mr. Kishore Kumar sir, who taught me from basis till top of this Stock course. He have helped me from various resources, and I especially thank him because he have taught me from basis. So I have using that knowledge, I have created this project blogging application through MERN. I would especially thank Qtree Technologies for their best support, because they have a best support, so none other than other technologies. So I have especially thank to them, and I have one more thanks, because their placement was best, their placement training was best, so I was most inspired by their training sessions. I was so happy for them. Thank you so much for anything, everything.